Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you the new After Effects plugin, which is really important for After Effects. And now, if you wanna install it, so it's really free. Don't worry, I will tell you the solution as well. Everything. Just open your browser. Like I will open Microsoft browser. Just click it here and write FX console, because when I didn't know about this plugin, so uh, I I was not editing very fast. Now I'm editing fast because of this plugin. You can download plugin for After Effects Video Copilot. Okay, just click it here. So it will open one menu. Just click it here. When you click here, so you can see this thing. Okay, just scroll down, and you can see you can download it for Apple as well as for Windows. Like I will click. I don't have this plugin. Okay, so I will just install it for you. It is FX console. Okay, you can see it here. Now just I want to click here. If I click here, so it will be downloading. Like it is loading here, you can see. uh when it Okay, let me tell the place, so where it should be download. Okay, it here, it should be download here. Okay, just click it here. It is downloading. It is really fast and easy. Just click it here, like when so this is the plugin. Okay, you can see it here. Just click here, extract it here. So when you extract it here, just open it. Now it is effect console. Just left click, and now just press yes. Okay, now you can see it here. So just click it here. Now you want to install it, so just plugin path. Just tell where is plugin path. Okay, just click it here. See, sorry, just click it. See. Mm, now you have program 86. Okay, common, Adobe, CEP. Okay, now extensions, you can click it here and select the folder. Now install it. Oh, it is installed already. Now let's open After Effects. So just when you open your After Effects, I didn't have the plugin, so I have installed it for you for free. Please subscribe my channel, uh like the video, and comment me. So I will tell you everything, every solution. If you wanna like GeoLayers 3 videos, like how to animate the videos in GeoLayers 3, so I will tell you also that. Let's open this. First of all, I will make the documentary videos also. Just open this Nazca. I think this is the place. Let's open it. If you press control space, first of all, you don't know about how to open FX console. Where is it? So you will not see it here because of what? Because of you don't know about FX console. Where is it installed? So please, I didn't know at first time, so I will tell you. Just press control space. So when you press everywhere, so it will show the menu. Like let me open it for you something. Just open this. uh Sorry, open this. Okay, if you have the image, let's now if you click here in the preview menu. Okay, now if you press control space, so it will open short screen like this, or download anything. Okay, now if you click here in this menu, layers menu, just control space, so now it will also come like this. Now if you wanna click here in this timeline, so click control like this, it will come. Okay, you have seen this. If you wanna Saber. Okay, so it will be applied here. Okay, Saber burn, how much burn you want, like this, it will be effect menu. Okay, if you wanna from here, it will be not burn. If here, so just you will add the keyframe, so it will be directly burn like this. Okay, so it is the menu, and you want it like this. Plugin is working really good, so it will make your editing really easy. So I will tell you in the next video how to animate the videos very fast, and how to make short reels 15 seconds, 30 seconds for free. Please like this video, comment me, and share it with your friends. Please must subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, bye, have a great day.